from here, you should see this. So what you guys want to do is erase all content and settings. What does that mean? It's going to delete my iCloud from here. So we're going to be taking out your iCloud from the phone itself. Plus it's going to erase all your pictures, videos from within the phone. From within the phone. So if you guys have anything stored online, it's going to remain online. However, on your own personal accounts, obviously. But if you're erasing, you're just erasing from your phone itself. So if you guys had an Apple ID, that will not be here anymore. If you guys had pictures, any personal information, that will be wiped. Choose the last one, erase all content and settings. And then from here, it's going to tell you this. Erase this phone. Continue on. Erase your iPhone. Put in your passcode if you have one. So you should see an Apple logo, a loading bar. It's going to erase everything, and I mean everything from your phone. That means once it starts up again, it's going to be like when it was brand new. When you first got it, you're going to be able to set it up again. So you're going to be able to set it up with the same Apple ID if you want to. You guys can choose another Apple ID. You guys can go ahead and return this to the store if you like, if that's why you're doing this. Or if you're going to sell your phone, it's very important to do because you don't want any of your personal information in here. And yes, you could set it up again without any Apple ID, so that way you guys could sell it that way as well, which I do have a video that shows you how to do that. Right now, you just have to wait for this to be done, and then you're going to be pretty much done with the whole factory reset of this phone. So once it's done restarting, you should see this. Hello. So you guys can go ahead and set it up again, or if you're returning to selling it, you guys could just turn it off. To force shut it down, just press this button, which is your power key, plus this, and then hold on to them. And then you should see this, slide to power off. So we're going to go ahead and slide to power off. That's it. We're done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.